Happy Wednesday, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here for another check of your forecast. And the forecast is pretty simple. We are looking at plenty of extreme heat across the tri-state, not just today, but over the next several days. You notice the heat risk impacts from the Weather Service. A large area here right in and around Bowling Green of major heat risk impacts. And the rest of us here are under the moderate. Neither of those should be taken lightly. The risk for heat exhaustion and heat stroke is very real, especially now that the humidity is starting to come up. You will really need to be smart, and smart for your pets. Notice here, when we've got temperatures that are in the mid to upper 90s, surface temperatures for concrete and asphalt really get hot, and your pet's paw pads can get burned with those temperatures 140, 155 or so. So make sure you walk your furry friends in the grass. Walk them early in the morning or late at night when surface temperatures cool down. Make sure they have plenty of water, because they will definitely need it, and you will need it as well today because of the heat and the humidity. Temperatures racing into the 90s for the most part, and really not cooling off much in the overnight hours. We're also watching the very slight chance by this evening that there could be a couple of stray showers along and north of the Ohio River mainly. You'll see some of those top left of your screen. I think most of us will remain dry. There's really nothing to worry about here. But still, as warm and hot as the atmosphere is, it wouldn't take much for a storm to really bubble up. Notice by tomorrow in the lunch hour, right back into the 90s. Another hot day looks likely. So right around 100, not record setting, record's 106. So it's still going to be blisteringly hot, but not record setting hot. Everybody here flirting with 100 degrees across the entire tri-state today. Very, very warm. And then temperatures tonight, these numbers reached right before sunrise on Thursday, upper 60s and lower 70s. Now we show you the extended forecast. It's hot early on, and then things really start to turn around. We're going to watch a kind of two fronts that'll move through Friday and Saturday. The first one pretty weak. The second one is what has the cooler air behind it with those rain chances. And notice by the time that we get toward the Labor Day holiday on Monday, we're back below average and the humidity drops. So really looking nice by the end of the weekend.